So you might be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods are not tapping into pairing mode. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe your AirPods that you just bought, they don't have that pairing button on the back. You have to basically tap them to get into pairing mode. Now there's a couple of reasons why this might be happening. Number one, you might want to make sure your AirPods are fully charged, and that's kind of the big thing to keep in mind here. So make sure they're charged. Next up, what you're going to want to do is you also want to just go through and make sure that there's not a lot of like dirt and smudges and stuff on the front side of this particular case, because there's a sensor on the front. If you're not tapping the right sensor, or if you're not going through and actually if it's not cleaned out, then that could be a little dirty, and that might be something you want to do. Now, the proper way of kind of going through and putting it into pairing mode is by opening up the case, seeing that light at the front, and then double tapping on that light basically. So it looks like that. Open up the case, double tap the front light, and you might have to do it multiple times. So try double tapping that light, and like you don't want to go super fast either, because sometimes that can cause some issues. You might want to go a little faster, a little slower. Kind of try messing around with it and kind of seeing if that ends up fixing anything, which a lot of times that might end up fixing it for you. If it's still not working, if you're trying to connect it to an iPhone, you can always unpair it from any other iPhone that's already connected to. Open up the case and then try repairing it that way. And that can also be another way to kind of fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.